Ka press conference kabla long minne ka no phai sngi banjubab ye ka jingkali kumno bansdang ye ka jingye kren ye sngaw tho jingmot bat ki we ki Niam khamtam bat ki Hindu ha India ki bam da ngap ye ki Kyrpad kala ong badon kam bandon ka minsim ba Burom bat bala ban pedyang ye ki we kumba ki we ki pedyang ye ngi.
Here we came here. I am from Mozambique. When we're living in a family, all of us were family. So there was no difference with Hindus, Pakistanis, and all. When I came to Portugal, I saw this difference because here Portuguese are much more. But we are living because they did not make some difference with us. Yeah, we were living. But in some cases, we have problems. We started with one problem, that was our cremation. So it was very difficult when we have to make our cremation when we die. And they did not know what is cremation. So we have to fight with us. It explain we are Hindu, our religion makes us do this ritual, and we have to do this. So then after a long conversation, we government gave us a space to make a cremation, and then it started. And then we see, we are here, our children, we are going here, we are completely out of, so we have to do something to maintain our culture. And then we started. But only Hindus, when we can have a part of government something. But 20 years ago, Portugal has a law, libertad religious. Okay. And then what this law says, that says all the population in Portugal is not worrying which religion they are practicing, they have equal rights in everything. So we have to attend to this law. We started working on this law, and then all the communities, small communities, try to join, and then we have two departments, Alto Comissariado das Migrações and one group of health. So we meet, we have our meeting monthly. We are in Alto Comissariado, we are 14 religions that we monthly dialogue. We study some topic, and each of us, we can put what is our opinion, what is that. We just said euthanasia, when it was talking about euthanasia in Portugal, all of us, they have to give what is our opinion about it. Because we can speak now, we can say what we are. So we have to speak, and then just it's one case. Now we are making first in hospitals to make professionals of hospitals or prisons to have another knowledge about religions, so that they can understand other culture, patients, other cultures, and then they can understand, they can be helpful, and the only patients can help like that. So that is, we are improving slowly, and after that, we have projects. Now we want to go furthermore. We want to go to the schools to sensibilize professors to say, look, we are in school, you have another child, different religions, you have to understand, you can't have marginalism. So this is our next project. So how we work all together for one understanding, tolerant people, and then we can respect each other.